Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a pumpkin and it goes to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute Halloween art, let's first start by drawing the pumpkin. So I'm going to come right here in the center of our pumpkin and draw a curve. So this is going to be the center of our pumpkin. And we're going to draw two more curves that slightly come down as we go. So another curve and another one. So same thing over here. And don't worry, this part does not have to be exact at all because we are drawing a pumpkin, right? But you just want some curves at the top to give our pumpkin some grooves. So then from there, we're going to start to bring it around. And as you know, there's so many different kinds of shapes of pumpkins that just doesn't matter. Just have fun with this drawing. However your pumpkin turns out, it will be perfect. Okay, so we're just going to bring it around. I'm just making mine a really fat, big pumpkin. So we're just going to bring it around. And towards the bottom, once again, I'm just going to give it some curves. So here and there, I'm just going to add some random curves. Maybe in the center, it's going to be a bigger one. But like I said, it doesn't matter. There. Okay, so that's the basic shape that you're aiming to draw. And let's come to the top and we're going to draw the stem part. So I'm going to come say about right here. And I'm just going to bring up a curve. And from here, I'm going to bring down a curve. This is easier on my hand. And from there, I'm just going to curve up a stem. And close it off and bring it back down. There, just a basic stem. And then now comes the fun part of bringing this pumpkin to life. So I'm going to start with a little upside down heart nose right in the center. So I'm going to come right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to draw upside down heart. There. And I'm going to come to the side of this, and from there I'm going to draw a big curve for some really happy eyes and draw another curve to finish it off. So same thing over here. And once again, just have fun with this drawing. Doesn't have to be exact or anything like that at all. So then right underneath this, I'm going to start about right here and I'm going to draw a curve. And about right here, I'll stop to draw a little tooth that comes in here. And continuing this curve, I'm going to go up, giving my pumpkin here a slight little smirk. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it all the way back. So if you don't like, I didn't like that shape because my hand wasn't drawing the curve correctly, just come back in here and fix it. Because it doesn't matter because it's all going to be shaded in black. Okay, so from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to shade in everything so you can see it a little bit better. So hopefully you're looking forward to Halloween like I am. And let me know in the comments below what you plan to be this Halloween. And if you do love Halloween, please make sure to check out my Halloween playlist for all of the drawings I've done over the years. There, all done. So cute, right? I hope you think so. And then let's come right here. Wherever you dipped in, we're just going to flicker out a curve. You don't have to do this if you're using a Sharpie. If you think it's too harsh, you can always do it when you're coloring it. I just wanted you to see what it should look like. So it just adds some grooves and dimension to our pumpkin. So once again, just like the top, we're going to flick out some curves at the bottom. Sometimes just make it a little bit longer, sometimes shorter, so it's not so stiff. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw our super cute ghost. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm gonna add a little curve right here on the top. Almost forgot about that. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw a super cute ghost, and I'm gonna pop him out from about right here. So let's say about right here. I'm gonna go up, and basically just going to draw like a little wobbly teardrop back. So once again, have fun with this part. Doesn't really matter, whatever shape you come up with. Just nice and round little ghost. And I'm just going to drag it all the way back and taper it in. There, something like that. And then so in this area, I'm going to draw a cute little face. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a circle. Give it a little highlight, shade it in. And about right here, draw another circle. So I can't wait to see your drawings, your version of this drawing. If you want to send it to me, please make sure to send it to my Instagram at DrawSoCuteByWinnie. Just much easier for me to see your drawings there if you have an Instagram account. If not, you can always email it to me at winniedraws@gmail.com. So right here, get a little face in for a ghost. And say about right here, I'm going to draw the little hands. And about right here, draw another one. And I'm gonna have our little ghost here hold a heart. Why not, right? And connect it. There. And last but not least, let's see here. I'm just gonna pop in, something's missing here. So I'll just pop in a little vine for our pumpkin here and finish it off. And that's pretty much it. Hope you love this Halloween inspired drawing, and it really inspires you to have fun drawing it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.